As technology advances, young people are accessing information and using services differently. That means that youth work too has to adapt quickly to make sure it continues to meet young people's changing needs. Service design is a process that can help you rethink and innovate the services you offer. It's an approach that helps us to think creatively, get to the root of the problem, test out our ideas, and find solutions that work. The DesYIgn Training Course and Toolkit aims to bring this expertise into youth information work. The process we're using has 4 stages: discover, define, develop, and do it. At the first phase of the process, you'll conduct a piece of research with the aim to fully understand the needs, behaviours, and experiences of the young people you're designing for. During the define phase, you'll spend time analysing and looking closely at the information and insights you've gathered. You'll define the most important points to focus on and set the direction of your design challenge. In the develop phase, you'll come up with ideas and build small prototypes to test them. The last phase is called do it, because this is where you'll finally evolve your ideas, build and implement the solutions. The DesYIgn Training Course and Toolkit will help you to develop your understanding of service design and how you can apply this to youth work.